Welcome to the Modern Guide on creating a login page for your Wix site. Let's enhance your website's user experience. First, log into your Wix account. Once inside, select the site where you want to build your login page. Next, navigate to the Add menu. Click on User Input and choose Login. This sets the foundation for your page. Now, drag and drop the login box onto your chosen page. Adjust the size to fit your site design elegantly. Customize your login box. Click on Settings to tailor text, colors, and styles, aligning with your branding. Finally, save your changes and preview your new login page. It's time to provide users with a seamless entry. Remember to test your login process. Ensure everything functions flawlessly before going live. Once satisfied, publish your site. Share your new login experience with users, offering a professional touch. Stay updated with Wix features as they evolve. Keep enhancing your site's functionality for 2025 and beyond. Thank you for joining. Explore more tutorials to optimize your Wix website effortlessly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on enhancing your Wix journey. Until next time, happy building! Your professional login page is just the beginning.